Hello. Okay. Just see. So now our the topic is about the string in typecast. So a TypeScript. So we will try to understand what is exactly string in string in TypeScript. Okay. So how we will use this string? Already we have gone through different concept of string, that how to go for declaring a string variable in your project or in JavaScript or in TypeScript. Already we have gone through. So very simple that we were discussing. Simply we were giving, sorry, let, okay, suppose I have given the name equal to, in this case I can go for here string, okay, and in this case simply I have given Shakti. Clear? So this is what exactly I have taken care of a string. So once this string is taken, so this string is an object of string class. It is an object of which class? String class. And we will see how the string is now treated as an object. Okay, just see, you can also form a string something like this. You can simply see the notes over here, what exactly the definition it is telling. A string object let you work with a series of characters, or everyone having the knowledge that, okay. And in here what exactly that we find the syntax. The syntax is very simple. Let's see, this is how you are creating a string object, okay. So by the string object I can call some of the property of the string class. In the last class also we were discussing about the number class. In here we will try to understand the string class, how exactly it is working. And in this case what happened, this is the variable name, and this is the new keyword, and this string you can see over here, the s is capital over here, and whatever the string that you are passing, that become an object of string class, okay. So in this case a length property is there. Just look the length property. How I will use the length property? By the object reference. How can I go for that? Just see, okay, just see how can I go for that. In this case this is my Visual Studio Code. So now in this case let me just go for defining the thing here. Okay, I can go for writing let or var, no problem, anything that you can write here. So this is called a name. This name is containing, well, sorry, this is not exactly something like this. I'm just creating something like this, new string, and look at. So this is the concept over here, but the name is not taken over here. So that is why it is what s name. Okay. So your name is treated as something like a keyword, okay, a reserved word, we can simply say. So that is why I have taken s name. And in here what I will do, I have taken care of Shakti, okay. So in this case what happened, okay, this became an object. Now this is the reference variable which is representing this object. Now Shakti is an object of which class? String class. So that is why I can go for using console.log, a property of the string class, okay, and that will be accessed by, that will be accessed by, just see, okay. So s name, look at s name number here, dot, what is that? A length property, okay. It's very simple concept to look at. Just see what happened here. So this length property, okay, the length property I have taken care of. In this length property what exactly we got, this length property is accessed by the object reference. And what is the object reference name? The object reference name is s name. Through the s name I am now going to use the length property. Okay, those people, those having a problem in compiling and running this project in terminal, they can also move to the command prompt. Okay, don't worry guys. So let me just come to the command prompt. So now in here I will open desktop. because in desktop I have a project that is that is sorry that is CD. Okay, the project name is online. This is my folder name. Online. What is this? Type ACRIPT script. Clear? Online type script. Sorry, this is not exactly the name. Okay, just see online. This is TYPEACRIPT TypeScript. What happened here? Oh, sorry. So this is online. Okay, type ACRIPT. What happened? CD online TYPEACRIPT. Okay, so now it is looking great. Just see now your folder has opened. Okay, now what I will do, I will just compile the programs. So how to compile the programs, or how to compile this file? App dot what is that? ts I will go for. Okay, look at. So now it's fine. If I will go for running this, what I will go for, node app.js. Okay, so this is the way how I can compile and run the program. If you find some problem in terminal, you can go for command prompt and you can go for doing something like this. Okay, not an issues. You can easily understand how exactly the thing going on. Okay, now just see, we got the idea, the length property, how we are using the length property. Okay, and we are okay now going through different other properties. Okay, so already we have given all these things. So the next thing is what? Prototype. In the last class I was discussing what is prototype. Who can say what is prototype? Please answer me. In the last class I was talking about prototypes. How many of you can answer what is prototype? In the number class I was using prototype is a property. Who can say that what is the prototype means? And in the last class I have already told you guys how to work with prototypes. Only one person. Okay, static nature of number. Oh, this is a static property, not a nature. Okay, simply it is called a static property of what? Number class it was. And we were, why we were accessing that? Who can say why we were using that? By using this we can assign a new property. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so those people, those were absent in the last class. Okay, so let me go for again for them prototype property. What the prototype property does? Okay, the prototype property, what it does, simply I will take care of the prototype property. And in this case, let me just go for again doing the same thing. So yes, so whenever, okay, we want to take a class in TypeScript. Okay, we are using what? Class keyword. Okay, but for this timing we don't have that idea how to go for creating an object by the class keyword. So that is why should I use, sorry, how I will go for creating a class by using function constructor, sorry, a constructor functions. Let's say this is employee. Okay, to this employee we have taken care of, this is the constructor functions, and inside that, we are taking care of a property. So let's say the property name is, okay, how to go for some give some property to it. So very simple. So now the thing is that whenever we are taking care of this type of data member, then we are using what? This keyword. And to this keyword I have taken s name, and in this case I have given some value to it. Okay, yes, I can go for this is as what is that? String. Okay, and this is I have given some value to it, something like, let's say shakti sakti. This is the name. So it is showing the error because this is not the data types. So let's say, so it's being something wrong. Why this is being wrong? Because we are doing some mistake here. What is the mistake? Okay, so this is exactly JavaScript code. Inside that, it is not be possible. So what I should do here, simply omit this one and let me directly write, okay, the name as Sakti here. Clear? So in this case, what happened? So now my requirement is what? This dot, what is that? Suppose EMP ID, okay. And this EMP ID is, let's say I have written 101. So it is looking great. Now on the next, what I should do here, I will create the object of employee class. How to go for creating the employee class object? This is var emp equal to, this is what as new employee. Okay, this is the object creation line. We can simply say, now the requirement is what? I want to access this s name. Yes, I can go for, how to go for that? Console.log. This is console.log, and inside that I can go for accessing the what? I can go for accessing this what? This s name. How to go for that? Simply I have given the message. This message is something given something like this: emp dot, what is that? What I should do? This is s name. Clear? It's very simple to understand. Now I can go for accessing which one I want to access. I want to access the id. So what I should do here, simply go for what? Emp id. Clear? This emp id, and in here I will simply go for emp dot, what I should write here, this is employee id. Okay, after that I want to add one another property to it. I want to add another property to the employee class, or you can simply say constructor functions, or whatever you can simply say. Okay, it is normally looking like a what class, but it is represented by constructor functions. Let's say I want to add one another property, and here prototype property I will use. Which property I will use here? Prototype property I will use. And this prototype property, as it is a static property, okay, so it is going to be accessed by the class name. Just look, by the class name. So what is the name of the class here? Just see, employee. Okay, this is the class, or the constructor function, you can simply say prototype. And in this case I can simply add address here, and simply I have written what? Okay, the address as Bhubaneswar. Okay, and now my requirement to access it, how to go for accessing it? Simply console.log, and in this case simply I can go for accessing it emp dot address. So this is quite easy to understand. So if you want to compile the program, you can go for here compiling the program, or you just go to your command prompt. Let me clear all this. Okay, let me go for increasing the font size so that it can be visible to you. So now simply I will go for tsc. Okay, what I should write here? What is the name of this file? This is app.ts. Okay, so after that, simply to run this, what I will do here, node app.js. Look at the output. This is the work of prototype. Already we had discussed in the number, and it is also using where in your string class. Okay, so yes, we got it. Now we will go for some methods over here. What are the methods we can go for using? The first method, that is caret method. Okay, so what is the meaning of caret method? Suppose you want to get any character by specifying one index, then you are using caret. Okay, so let's say I have simply gone through. So let me delete all this code. Okay, we will just go for what? Caret. What the caret is doing, suppose I have just taken care of var what is prototype? Yesterday class I faced network issues. Okay, prototype, yes, again. So let me just go for, Prabhat has asked the questions, what is prototypes? So let me discuss again, Prabhat, what is prototype? You can see over here, prototype is doing what? So let's say this is something like this. This is called a constructor functions, through which we are maintaining a class structures, and inside that some of the data member we have taken care of by this keyword. So this dot s name I have given Sakti. This dot employee ID, okay, it has given 101. Okay, so I have created the object of this class, okay, by writing this one. What the thing that I have written here? Okay, var emp equal to new employee. Yes, I have created this offset. Now what I should do here, emp dot s name, I have printed it. Emp dot employee id, I printed it. But on the next day or on the next line, I may require one another property. Okay, that is address property, and I want to add to this class. So how can I go for that? Instead of defining the thing over here, what it should be done? Simply employee dot prototype. Just see employee dot prototype dot address equal to Bhubaneswar. Okay, so in this case what happened, so let me just go for accessing here console dot log. In this case one may ask the question, so can I access here employee dot, just see, in this case simply I can, suppose I want to access before it, okay, before declaration of it. So what I will do here, so simply I can go for here emp emp dot, what is that, okay, address. And am I able to get this address or not? So let me just check it out. Okay, so first of all, just see, before declaring this prototype I'm trying to access it. After, yes, if you want to add any property to the class, then you are using prototype. As prototype is a static one, it is accessed by the name of this class or constructor functions. How is it written? How it is written? Employee dot prototype dot address equal to Bhubaneswar. Now in the next line it was printing the data. Simple, but one may ask the question, sir, before defining it I want to access it. Before defining it, or before assigning, or before taking the address property I want to access it. Can it be possible? Okay, just see, first I have accessed the address property, then I have assigned or I have created the prototypes. Okay, so in this case what will happen, let me just go for compiling the programs. This is tsc app.ts. Okay, just see, it's looking great, it's been compiled, there is no compile time error. Now I will run it. Node, this is app dot, what is that, js. Clear? Look at what happened. So the first address, it is showing what, undefined. Okay, but which one it is printing? This one it is printing after declarations. So this is address after prototype. This is address after prototype. Just try to observe address after prototype, but this is address before prototype. Before prototype, this is before prototype. It means that what it is telling, whenever there is the requirement to add, okay, prototype, whenever there is a requirement of any property, you can add by the prototype property. Clear? So this is quite easy. Again, I'm trying to just go for compiling this file, that is ts. So it's been good. So now there is no error. Now what I will do here, I will run this one. This is app dot, what is that, js. Look at, so what exactly I found here. So address before prototype is undefined. Clear? And address after prototype is Bhubaneswar. Got the idea? It means that prototype is telling, so whenever there is a requirement of any property to add to your class, so it is, yes, possible. It is possible through what? It is possible through your prototype property. It's being very simple. Clear? Okay. Now what is the caret means? Prabhat, you got it? Prabhat, you got it? Okay, good. So now we will try to understand caret. So what is the meaning of caret? Okay, so if you want to desire to get one character to a specific index, then what I will use here, caret. Clear? Just see what I will go for. Let me go for writing the program. Sorry, this is, look at. So what I will do here, let me just go for creating a variable here. So let's say, okay, this is suppose s name. Okay, and in this case simply I have written, okay, hello students. So let's say, or I'm just giving my name here. Okay, this is hey guys, I'm writing something wrong, guys. What I'm writing, Hakti? Oh shit. Shakti Brother Naik. Clear up to this? So this is the thing that I have written. So now my requirement, I want to get one character to a given position, so to a given index. What I should do here, simply I will go for console.log. This console.log is doing what? S name, okay. This is S name dot, what is that? S name dot char at. So this caret is telling the index number 0. To the index number 0, I want to get the character. Clear? So index 0, I have written index, what is that? This is index number 0. So what is the value I want to get here? Okay. Yes. In JavaScript, exactly the class is represented through constructor functions. So that is where function must be required there. Okay, in JavaScript. Yet we have not covered the object-oriented concept, means class and object concept in TypeScript. So when this will be discussed at the time, I will talk how we will create class and object in TypeScript by using the keyword class. Okay. So for this timing, you should remember these things, that yes, whenever you are trying to create any class type structures, then you have to take the help of constructor function. And in here, function is mandatory. You have to write function keyword. Yes, function keyword is mandatory. Clear? So now in this case, what happened? So who can say what is the expected output here? Who can say what is the expected output over here? So what is the meaning of this one? Who can say? The meaning is what? I want to get that character in the index what? To the index 0. Clear? So yes, some of the students you are answering, that is S, S, and S. Good. So now let me just go for run this. So yes, what I should do here, simply I can go for TSC. What I should write here, I simply go for app.ts. It's been fine, but I did a mistake. Clear? So where the mistake I have done, can you please tell me by the mistake I have done here? It is telling a problem. The problem is semicolon expected. So that semicolon is expected. Where the semicolon is expected? But the problem I have done over here. So let's say it's not required. Still, I want to go through that. Now, but the problem has come. Who can say? Who can say why this error is there, that a semicolon is required? So where we have left the semicolon? Can you please tell me? Okay, so in here, let me just go for TSC. So that is app dot, what is that? TS is being error. So why this is being error? Mm, let me just go for this one as a var. So no doubt. So it may be your var or anything else. Versus it's being. Can you please tell me, guys? Can you notice any error to that? So this is not a problem. Actually, this is not a problem. So this is the var I have just taken care of. After that, I'm little bit confused with this, why it is not working. So let me just go for copy paste this, all the things. Look at. So now, if it is not taking something like this, so what you will do now, simply var, okay, this is str equal to, you just create a string object first. This is a string. Okay, in this case, simply I have given Shakti. Clear up to this? Okay, so it is not converted automatically. So if it is written something like this, now str is the reference. Okay, through the str, can I go for that? Just see console. In this case, I can go for what is that, console.log. In this case, str dot what is that, caret. Just see the caret at the position number 0, I want to get that. Then what I should do here, so let me just clear the screen. So after that, I will go for compiling the program. Now everyone having the knowledge how to compile the program, app dot what is that, ts. Okay, and it's being fine. This is how to run it. All everyone know how to run it. This is app.js. Clear up to this? So now it is giving s. It's quite easy to understand. So now after that, let me run my example. In this example, simply it is given a simple example. Okay, you can see here what the thing you can see over here. uh, you have created a string object, and in this string object it is written this is string. Okay, after that you are trying to get at the index number 0, index number 1, index number 2, you are trying to get all the characters present to the index number. Clear? So now let me just go for tsc app dot, okay, ts. It's been good. Now what I will do here, node app.js. Clear? Sorry, this is what is that, node app.js. Looking great. So now you can see all everything clear. Okay, whatever the thing that you are not finding, this is not finding anything, so that is why it is remaining space. Okay, so you can see over here, after this you will find what exactly is space, so that is why it is not giving any character to it. Okay, so it's being very simple, okay, to understand what is the reality of this caret. So after that, we will simply move to our next method, that is concat. So what is the meaning of concat and what exactly it does? Concat means one object is going to be concatenated with another object. Means in here, in this example, str1 is an object, str2 is an object, str1 want to concatenate with str2. Then how we will use that? Str1 dot concat, then str2. Clear? Just try to observe. Okay, so this is quite easy to understand. It means that str3 is now holding after the concatenation result of str1 and str2. By this concat method, I'm telling again, by the concat method, so we are concatenating two strings. str1 is now concatenating with str2, so that is why we have called str1 dot concat, okay, str2 dot two strings. It's being very simple to understand. So let me just go for demonstrating this one. Just see, I have just created the object. Okay, this is var str1 equal to new string. So in this case, let me just go for creating a string. Okay, hi students, hi students, or simply I have just given this one hi and str. Okay, this is str2. In this case, simply I have taken care of string. Okay, in this case, hi students. So simply I have written what? Students here. Okay, so now in this case, I have to write here var keyword. It's being looking good. Now my requirement is what? str1 trying to concat with what? str2. Then what I should write here? Console dot, what is that? Log. Okay, so str1 dot concat. So whom it will concat? So to str2. str2. Clear? So this being, just see, we have done a mistake over here. What is the mistake? The concat is telling okay, so a problem has come. What is the problem? Who can say, guys? Why this problem has come? str1 trying to concat to what? str2. Is there anything that I have written wrong? Okay, just see. Yeah. So a problem has come. What? So you have to convert this thing to the two strings. Okay. So let's say this is a kind of object. You have to write these two strings. Okay, before you concat, okay, you have to convert your str2 to string type. So that is why it was showing the error. Okay, so you have to write two strings. Ready? So now if I will go for running this page, look at, just see TSC. What I should do here, TSC. In this case, what I should write here, who can say this is app, sorry, this is app dot, what is that, TS. It's been looking good. You didn't get any error. Let's say app dot js. Just see, hire student. So how exactly it is, how exactly it is. Okay, the simple. So now you got it, guys, that how to work with your concat. Okay, so here is a problem, sir. Why convert? Okay, so basically what happened, guys, if you want to go through, look at it. So just see, in this case, suppose someone has told me that why it is got converted. Clear? So why it is converted? So let's check exactly. Console.log. What is the type of str2? Type of str2. Okay. So if it is, let me just run this project. This is TSC. This is app dot, what is that? TS. And it is what as node. Okay. Node app dot js. Look at it. So this is object. So it is in the format of object. So when we are writing, when it is in the format of object, it is not going to concat. Okay, so that is why str2 must be converted to what? To string type. Okay, so otherwise it is not working properly, because here object is not the superclass of what? String. Okay, so this is why exactly it is telling you have to convert it to string type. Otherwise it will not going to concat. Okay, so you got it. Now the next point is, what is the meaning of char code at? So what is the meaning of this one? So Unicode value. So it will show the Unicode value. So what is the meaning of Unicode value? So let me just go for, so let me comment this line. I'm not deleting anything else. Okay, so let me just go for making a comment to it. This is the multi-line comment in TypeScript. Simply I will go for, what is that? String. Var is superclass object. No, no, no. Var is not the superclass. So here the data type concept, it means that we are trying to, in this case, you just see in Java, you find object is what? Object is the superclass of all the data types. All the wrapper class, we can simply say. In C# also the same thing. But in case of TypeScript, so this is not, object is not exactly the superclass of all the data types. So string is something different class. So that is why. So these both are different. Okay, so that is why here we need to convert what? To string type. str2 must be converted to what? To string, because str2 it is in the format of what? Object. So that is why it is not applied on. Okay, your concat method is not going to apply it on object. The concat method is only going to concatenate with what? Okay, string value. So that is why you have to convert it to string. I will talk about what which one is the superclass. Okay, so I will talk about that thing. So now just see, let me just go for, let's say the var. Var is a keyword. Prabhat, var is a keyword only. So which is exactly holding your data. Any kind of data that you want to keep, that yes, var is that keyword. Exactly, var is that keyword which is holding different kind of data, and it's automatically or dynamically assigned the data type to the var keyword. Okay, so exactly, suppose I have taken var x equal to 10. What is the meaning of this one? So here the type of x is what? Number. Here the type of x is number. When var x equal to 10 I have written, here type of x is number. Okay, so var is a dynamic. Okay, we can simply say it's a keyword which is holding dynamically the type data types. Okay, in case of C sharp or Java, you are simply writing what integer x equal to 10. Okay, but in case of JavaScript or TypeScript, it is not possible to write like this. Okay, so it is go for what? Okay, you are just defining by the var keyword. So var keyword is supposed telling a number you want to define. Then you have to go for number equal to 10. So this is quite easy to understand. Is being what? Now the data type of x is what? Number. Something like this. So var is not a class over here. Now let me just go for this method. What is the name of the method? Char code at. What exactly it does? Very simple, guys. So whenever I will talk about this, first of all, I will go for creating a variable or offset equal to what is that? New string. So in this case, let me just go for writing hello students. Clear up to this? Okay. This is hello student I have written, or simply I have written what Amit. Simply I have written Amit. Clear? So after that, what I will do here, simply go for console.log. Okay, now str is an object. Str is an object reference, or here car code at. Just see, this is the thing. In here, I have mentioned 0. So what is the meaning of 0? The 0 is the index position. In the index position, which alphabet you find? A, capital A you find. Then what is the what is the what character code? So it means that we can simply say character code. What is the character code for this A? Or it is simply say it is okay specifying Unicode. All everyone having the knowledge what is Unicode. So those people, those are prepared Java, those people, those are prepared C sharp, they have already the concept what is called Unicode character. Okay. So or we can simply say in C and C++ ASCII characters. So in this case, simply I can go for what is that? This is what as TSC app dot what is that? This is okay. TS and run the project by node. This is app dot what is that? JS. And look at the 65 is the ASCII character or Unicode character for this A. Okay, so this is the work of character code at. Clear? Now we will try to understand one another method, that is index of. Just try to observe what is the index of. Index of means what? Just try to read this line. What exactly it is written? Return the index within the calling string object of the first occurrence of the specified value. Okay. If it is finding that, it is returning the index number. If the specified string is not there, it is returning what? -1. What is the meaning of this line? Let me just go for making comment to it. Index of. So what is the meaning of index of? Let me just go for creating an object of string class str1 equal to, this is what I should write here, new string, and in here I have written, simply I have written what I have written here. Okay, in this case, simply I have written Sakti sir is teaching in .NET School, something like this. I have written something like this. Okay. Now the requirement is what? I want to search in. I want to search in. Clear up to this? So let me just go for writing console dot log. What I should write here? str1 dot. What is that? Index of. What the index of? Index of in this specified string. Just try to observe in this case what happened here. So let me just clear it. Okay. And in this case, simply I will go for what? In this case, what happened? Just try to observe. Okay, look at what I will do now. Just see, let me just compile the programs. Just say TSC. Okay, who can say what is the output of these programs? Please tell me what is the output of this program. How many of you can answer of this output? Just tell me. What is the output of this program? Who can say? So only one, Kavita Nayak 20. Oprajita Ponda 20. Any other guys? Tanmay is telling 23. Anyone from your side who can say what is the output of this? 19, 24. Anyone? Prabhat is telling 23. Siti is telling 23, 24, 24. Badal is telling 24. Okay. Badal is telling 24. Anyone else from your side, guys? Okay. Tony is telling 19. Ethisa is telling 20. Okay. Is there anyone, guys? What is the output? Just see. Now, okay. Someone has given here. I think Sripati Hema. Hema, you just tell me that why exactly you have given 19. Can you please tell me why this is 19? Can you explain your output why it is 19? Why it is 19? So yeah, tell me why it is 19. Okay. Okay, you just tell me now. Siti, can you please tell me that why you have answered it? I think 20.
Sir, I have answered 23.
23.
Yes.
Okay, why you have given this answer 23?
So,
It means it is in the position number 23. This is right.
yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
actually, I have confused between 23 or 24.
23 or 24. Okay, okay, okay. Badal. Okay, just see. Now we will try to go for. Just see. One another person given 19. Tony. Here. Okay. This is not being on mute. Okay. Okay, just see. So now let me count. Exactly. Let me just count.
Sir, count kole to 19 hoji.
Who is telling this one? Who is telling this is? Swagatika. Okay, okay, okay. Just see, just see. Look at what happened here. What happened here? Okay. So Prabhat is telling 24 is the correct answer. So let me listen the reason why Prabhat is telling 24. Tell me, Prabhat, why it is 24? Hello, Prabhat. Can you hear me? Okay, so I think some problem. Okay, raise your hand who can justify the answer. Okay, so let me justify the answer. What is that answer is here? Okay, so everyone, yes, Tanmay can explain it. Okay, let me just unmute Tanmay. So Tanmay, where Tanmay? Just see. Tanmay, can you please unmute your mic? Exactly here, huh? Yeah, tell me. Ah.
Sir, actually, including the spaces,
So
is
so that is why you told what is the answer here? What is your answer?
24.
24. Okay, so just see. So just come to the notes again. Okay, just come to the notes again and just try to uh, just read once again this definition. Just try to read once again the definitions. All everyone try to read and just try to answer me again. Just try to read once again and tell me the appropriate answer. Only few of you given the right answer. I think two person given the right answer. And just see what happened, guys. Yeah. So someone has written the yes. Swam Prabha is telling 19. Okay. Swam Prabha. Unmute Swam Prabha. Swam Prabha, can you hear me?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
I in first occurrence আসছে 19 আসছে না?
Okay,
I
first
thought
occurrence means yes. This is the first occurrence means just try to observe now. The first occurrence, how you got the first occurrence? That is the very important point. The first occurrence. This is the word you have to go for giving the importance. Okay, so here is the question. Answer is very simple. Just try to observe here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and this in it is taking this one, so that is why it is in the position number 19. So let me run this project or compile this project first. This is app dot what is that ts here. Now let me run this. What is that? Node of app.js. Okay, so what you are getting, guys? 19. All everyone clear why it is showing 19? Because in the nodes it is already written. What exactly it is already written? This is the first occurrence it will hold. The first occurrence it will hold. All everyone clear about it? Okay, so why it is 19, guys? Okay, so all everyone clear, I think. Ready? So now just come to the next point now. Okay, one another node is here. Some of the questions from your side. Again, sir. Okay, just see. Badal, you have a question why it is showing the 19. Okay, so let me just go for the definition again. So it's very simple. It is written the first occurrence of the specified value. The first occurrence. Just see in teaching. Just try to observe now. In teaching one in is there. Just try to observe here. This in it is holding. Okay, this is not holding this in. This is holding this in. So that is why if I will count from the beginning, this is 0. Sorry. I did a mistake. Just see what is the index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This in the position number what? 19. Here. Okay, so yes, sir, I will give chocolate. Those who given right answer, I will give you chocolate. Yes, Badal, you got it. Got it, na? Okay, it's very simple. Ready? So now one another method we will look for, that is last index of. Simply, I will just change these things to last index of. This is last index of. This is the last index of. Clear up to this. Okay, so now what I will do here. Okay, this is node, let's say TSC. This is app dot what is that TS. Clear? And you just see in this case what your answer will be. We can say last index of. It means that it is searching from what? From the right side. It is not searching from the left side. It is searching from the right side. Then who can answer it? I will give the big chocolate. Sony is telling -1. Huh? How could you say this is -1? Sthiti is telling 13. Who can say? Sthiti is telling 13. How could you imagine this is 13, Sthiti? Can you please unmute your mic and tell me? Oh, let me just unmute. Okay, let me scold you first. So why you were telling this is 13, Titi? You have counted
Sir,
from this side.
yes.
Your index is always starting from this side or this side?
Sir, we will count from right side.
From the left side, we will count always. From the left side. This is the left side, this is the right side. Yes.
Uh,
Your index is always your index is always starting from which side? This side or this side?
sir, here last index of starting from
The
this side,
last
right?
the last index of in, it means it doesn't mean that you will count from like this 0 1 2 3 4.
Oh, okay, sir.
Not like that.
I got
It will be count this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16
yes.
17 18 19 20 21 22 23.
23.
You got it?
Oh, yes, sir.
Though it is the last index, it is searching on the it is searching for the last index of the
Yes.
given value. Okay, but the index is
Yes.
always starting from what? From the left side, 0.
From left
Okay.
side. Yes.
Swamprabha, again you are telling 20. How it is 20, Swamprabha? So let me just unmute Swamprabha. Okay, tell me now why it is 20, Swamprabha?
Sir, I'm confused. I think 24 is the correct answer because the last occurrence is
23, 23, not 24.
sir how
Just see. 0, sorry, 0, 1,
हाँ
2,
ये सर
3. You got it?
I take करेगा ना
Just see. You got it. 0,
yes sir
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
yes sir
So what is the right answer?
23
23. Okay. So let me check whether I'm telling right or wrong. Clear? Just see. We will simply go for a node. Sorry, not a mode. This is what I'm writing, man. This is node app.js. Okay, what is the answer? 23. You got it, girl? All everyone got it? Okay, very good. So now next one is slice. Okay, slicing the things. So already I think slice somewhere we have read. Slicing means what? Just try to go for what? Just try to go for the definition and just tell me what is the output of the first one. What is the output of this one? Okay, and what is the output of this one? Who can say how many parameter it can take? 2 parameter. Okay, slice means, just see, this method extract a section of string and return to a new string. Means a person of a string I want to extract, then I will use slice. Clear? Okay, so now let me just go for this string, and from the string we are trying to go for what? Slice. And the slice is telling it is starting index is what? 3 and -2. What is the meaning of -2? Who can say? Okay, this is the end slice. End slice means this is the end point. Okay, who can say what is the output? Who can say what is your output? Just consider this one. Clear a string. Now let me just copy these things and I will ask the questions to you guys. All everyone should participate. Okay, and those people, those will be answering good, then I will give you big chocolates. Okay, so promise after lockdown I will send you to your home the big chocolates. You can enjoy the things. So now just tell me. Now let me just first compile whether it is compiling or not. TSC, what is that? App.ts. Okay, I found it's compiled well. Then who can say what is the answer? Please answer me. The static index is starting index is 3 and the end index is -2. What is the meaning of -2 here? And always remember this second parameter is what? Optional. If you're not giving this one, it is also okay, not an issue. Tell me soon. Who can answer? No one. My God. All everyone slept, I think. No one. Only one message I found. Let me see what is your answer. The answer someone is telling Kobita Naik, that is I. What kind of answer that you have given? This is I. Tony is telling apples are round and apples are juicy. Huh? What kind of answer this is? Anyone, guys? Please tell me. Please tell me. No one. I think everyone slept. Maybe I only. The starting point is 3. Maybe L. Pavitra is telling app delete. No one. Siti, Puja, Hima, Swamprabha. No one could give the answer. Swamprabha is telling apps are. Oh, sorry. Apps. Sorry. If we around apples are juicy. Okay. No idea, sir. Why you didn't get any idea? What's the problem? The starting point is 3. It means that this is 0. Clear? This is 0. Wait. Let me go. Okay. This is what? 0. Sorry. This what happened here? This is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So it will start from LES. L. It will start from S. It will continue last up to last. Then it will go for what? It is the last one. Then it will continue. What it will do? -2. -2 means what is the meaning of -2? -1, -2. So what is the output you got? LES. Let me just copy this one, and I expect this is the output. Clear? Just see. -2 means what? The whole length. Okay. From this side it will do -2. -2 means, let's say this is 0. I think this is 0, not 0, 0, 1 means the whole length, whatever the whole length it will be, it will do a -2. Okay, let me just go for, okay, let me just comment this one, and let me just go for trying to compile this one. This is TSC, this is app.ts. Now it is looking great. Now let me just run it. So what I will do here, simply I will go for, sorry, so in this case what happened? In this case, let me just go for compiling the program again. TSC app.ts. So now do clear here first. I will run it. How I will run it? Node app.js. Look. So what is the output? Just see what is the output. How many of you got the answer? How many of you got the answer? I think everyone got the answer. It's quite easy. It is starting from 3 and it has ended, but it has again moved back by doing a -1. Okay, this is 0, 1. Sorry. minus 2 means simply, okay, 1 2 1 2, clear, simple concept. So that is why, what is the answer? Okay, less are round and apples are juice, something like this. One more example, someone told me that one more example. Okay, just tell me now, suppose it has started from 10. Now just tell me what is the answer of it from your side, guys. I want to listen the output from your side. Can you please tell me what is the output of this? Now just tell me what is the output of these programs. Basil is telling yes, he got it. Okay, so it will start from round 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so it means that it will start from round, clear, and it will move to where? It will move to the last, and this is -1 -2. So it means that round apples are juice, clear, simple concept. So in this case, I think it will start from this, and up to it will go for, okay, up to this it will go for Control C, and this is my expected output. So this is my expected output. Just go for this one, okay. And in this case, let me just go for TSC. And what is that? This is app.js. So app.ts. So it's being fine. Now what I will do, I will run this one node, okay, app.js. Just see, it is also taking the space. It will start from the space, okay. It is exactly the position number 10. Yes, Hima is telling, so it could start from the space. Very good. The space is there. Yes, the space. Why the space is because it has start exactly. It is 10. This position is 10. So that is why it has what? One character space. Got it now, all everyone? Now come to the next point. Split. So just tell me, just try to read this one and just tell me what should be the output. Can you please tell me? This method split a string object into an array of strings by separating the string into substrings. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? Exactly, it is taking again two parameters. The first parameter is separator. The second parameter is limit. Okay. So what is the meaning of limit? From where it will start? Or we will see the limit exactly. Can you please tell me? Okay, how exactly it will work? Who can say? What exactly I'm trying to do? I'm trying to do that I want to split by getting a space. Whenever I will get a space, it will be split. Okay, so let me just remove this one. So who can say what is the output now? Sakti sir is teaching TypeScript. Okay. Who can say me that what is exactly it will show you guys. What is exactly the splitted? The splitted is nothing but an array. So it will be converted to an array because it will return a group of values. Group of value means it will return Sakti, sir, something like this. It means that simply, let me just go for discussing this thing by this. Okay, so what exactly it does? So what the thing it is written here? Split. So what is the meaning of this split? Bhar. Suppose this is ARR. Okay. And these things it is being done here. ARR equal to, suppose this is str. This str given over here. Okay. Dot. This is split split. So what the thing we have given over here? Suppose I have given this is the character by which I want to separate it. So what happened to it? So this ARR, let's say it has written your str contain, okay, Sakti This is sir H-T-E-S-C-H-I-N-G teaching. So this is the thing that it is written here. Once the split has given, okay, and the split it will do when it will find any space. It means that this array, this ARR will be just turn into something like this. Okay, let's say this is an array, and to this array, the first value will be what? Shakti. The first value will be Shakti. Just try to observe here, Shakti. The second value I am getting what? Okay, Sar. This is very simple concept here. This is Sar. And the third value I got, that is what? I got that is. Just try to observe something like this. And the last value is, what is that? Madhu. Sorry, teasing. Clear up to this? So this is exactly that how we are going through, or what the thing that we are getting to this ARR. Okay, so now we are printing ARR. Ready? So this is the split is doing. What the split is doing, so whatever the specified character by which you want to go for splitting, then yes, here whenever I will get the space, it will split. And whatever the value it will return, it is returning to this array ARR variable like this. Okay, so let me check it out whether it is working or not. So simply let me just copy these things, okay, and just come to the point, to the Visual Studio Code, and in here let me just paste it. Okay, so this is the thing that it is written here. It is looking great. Now the requirement is what? My requirement is, let me just remove first these three. I don't require this one now. Okay, now what exactly it is printing? Okay, so now simply I will go for TSC. I will do compile this one. Okay, so what the thing it is exactly it is printing, guys. So it is printing simple concept TSC, and this is called app.ts. So it's being good, not on any issues. Now this is TSC. This is app dot what is that? JS. Look at sorry. This is node app.js. Look at the output. So this is an array. This is an array that we are now taking care of. Clear? Shakti sir is teaching TypeScript. Clear? So now one may ask the question, suppose it is given 3. So what is the meaning of this one? This is the limitation you have given to it. So what is the meaning of limitation? You can see here app.ts. Okay. Let me just clear all this output first. Now I will go for node. Just see app dot what is that? We can say app dot JS. Look at it. What are the limitation you found? The limitation you found. What are the limitation you have given? 3. It means that it is only taking Shakti. This is SAR is. You just see Shakti SAR is. It means that once the 3 has given, it means that it is taking 3 elements. Means 3 items. Shakti is 1 item. SAR it found, and it is found again what? Is. Suppose I am giving here 2. Okay, can you please tell me what is the output of this program? Who can say what is the output of the program? Tell me quickly. TSC app.ts. Can you please tell me what is the output of this program? Who can say? Please tell me. What is the output of this programs? Very good. Shakti and SAR. Okay, so output will be Shakti and SAR. Very good. The output will be Shakti and SAR. Just see, simply I will go for here node. This is app.js. Simply I will get what? Shakti SAR. Ready? Yes, Titi, you didn't get it. Okay, so where in which point you didn't get it? You just tell me. Now for this time you got it, I think. Okay, just see. So now one may ask the question, sir, you do not provide all these limitations. It means that what is the expected output? All everyone got. Shakti, sir is teaching TypeScript. But one may ask the question, sir, if this is an array, can I use for loop to print it? For loop to print it? Yes, I can go for. Just see, I can go for using for loop. In this for loop I have taken, this is var I as what is that, let's say this is I as number, clear, and I have initialized by 0, this is good. Then I is less than, what is that, simply I will go for, this is splitted dot, what is that, length, then I should go for what, I plus plus. Clear up to this? After that simply I can go for console dot, what is that, log. In this case I do want to print, okay, how to go for printing the values? Yes, I can go for printing the values. Suppose yes, very simple, simply I will go for what, okay, I value, not I, this is splitted of I, this is splitted of I. Clear? So let me just go for compiling the program. This is what, tsc, this is app dot, what is that, ts. Look at, now what I will do, node app dot, what is that, js. Look at, sorry, this is exactly not written correct, so this is js. Look at, so now the output is Sakti sir is teaching what, Sakti sir, Sakti in the first index, in the second index it is sir, third index is, in the next index it is teaching, to the next index it is TypeScript. So it's being very simple. Clear? Up to this clear? All everyone are clear, I think. All everyone got the knowledge that how to go for using the split. Okay, split method over here. The split method. Suppose one may ask the question, sir, can I split something like this? Suppose someone has told me that, you know, I have given some comma over here. Just see, this is a comma, this is a comma over here. Okay, so can I split, sir? Can I split it? Can I split it? Can I split it? If I will split it, okay, by a comma, who can say how exactly I will go for that? No, sir. No, exactly. I'm trying to go for what? Suppose someone has written something like this. Can it be possible or not possible? Tell me, Hima. Is it possible or not possible for this timing? I have given a command to it. Who can say, is it possible to split or not? Yes, it is. It is possible to split. It is possible to split. Got the idea? Yes, it is possible to split. Here, so just see, if you want to see the output, I can go for here also. What is that? Let's say TSC. Let's say TSC. What I should write here? TSC. This is amp dot TS. So who is writing this, guys? Just do the things. Okay, just try to observe here. So let's say what I will do here. This is node. This is app. Okay, dot JS. Look at. So now this is. I'm getting the same output. But one may ask the question, sir. You know, if sir is found over here, okay, just concatenate to it Mr. Sir. Can it be possible or not possible? If I will find Sir, okay, it will go for giving you Mr. Sir. Just concatenate to it Mr. before Sir. What I should write? How should I write the code? Just see. First of all, I will check it. What I will check it? Splitted, okay, of I is double equal to, if I will find what, Sir, okay, then what I will do, simply go for what, okay, splitted, you see, splitted, okay, of I And to that I will concatenate. What I will do concatenate? Just see simple, sir. I will do concatenate whatever it is in this index. If it is found, sir, then I will concatenate to it. What I will concatenate to it? Okay, I will concatenate. Just see equal to str. Sorry, this is splitted. Simply I will write splitted. Sorry, splitted of I. Okay, whatever the value it is now in this positions I. Okay, and before that I will do concatenate. What is that? This is Mr. dot plus. Clear? Simple thing that I have written here. What exactly the condition I have given? If splitted of I, okay, is found, sir, then splitted of I means whatever the value in these positions, that will be concatenated by Mr. Okay, and this is the value. It means that, let's say my loop has started now. I value is now what? 0. Clear? Once I value is 0, it is checking the index number 0. Okay, in the index number 0, I found Shakti. Okay, I found Shakti. Shakti is double equal to sir. No, it is not. It is not true. Clear? Now what I should do here? Simply, I can go for printing the values, something like this, console.log, and after that, I can go for printing the values. Printed. This is what as okay of I. Just see. It is every time checking the condition. In the post index, we found Shakti. Shakti is not matching with sir. So that is why this is not going to be happened. Okay. But I plus plus will be there. So I value will be got incremented by 1. So now in the index number 1, we found sir. Okay. When we found sir, it is getting inside. Clear? So when it is getting inside, so what exactly internal process will be? Sir splitted SPLITTED. This is the array. And what is the index number now we are working on? Now we are working on 1 number index. To this 1 number index, we have concatenated. What we have concatenated? Mr. Okay, with a dot plus. Okay, what is the value now? Sir. Because this sir has given by this one. Okay, so now what we found here? In the index number 1, we found Mr. Sir. Okay, if I do if I will go for compiling the program, what I will do here, this is called app.ts is being fine. Now I will run it. How to go for run this project? Okay, this is app.what is that? JS. Just see, you can simply find Shakti has come, then it is coming with Mr. Sir. It's teaching TypeScript. This being very simple to understand. Clear? So just try to observe these programs again, once again. If any doubt of yours, please tell me. I will resolve it. No, you are asking that why we have given comma over here. No, I have simply just demonstrated. If comma has given here, can we go for exactly what we are telling by this line? We are telling by this line, you just or split this string to an array wherever you are find what? Comma. Wherever you are finding comma. Suppose I am giving inside here a comma. So what will happen here? This is a value and this is a value. It will store to what? An array. Clear? Just see, now in this array, in the split array, what it will store? Okay, SHA, the first value will be SHA. Look at how this array will look. This array will look SHA, comma, this is KTI, comma, this, okay, this is your sir, something like this. It will something like this. It means that wherever it will find comma, it will split the array. Got the idea or not? Okay. Oh, this one you're trying to say. Yes, we can go for not an issues. So in this case, what the thing that we are getting here? Let's see app.ts is being fine. Node app.js. Clear? Look at what exactly you are finding. SHA you are finding, KTI, then Mr. Sir. Mr. Sir means, so when we found this SI here, then you are getting, or we are what, concatenating this value with Mr. So that is why it has come something like this. Ready? Without split, yes, without split, if you want to go for, suppose I'm simply written this one as, this is console.log. In this case, I have simply gone through what, str. You're telling this one, clear? Suppose I'm printing this str now. What I will get here, don't be confused more, clear? Just see, in this case, simply I'm writing, this is app dot, what is that, ts. Can you please tell me how to go run it? Simply I will write the command node, what is that, app dot js. Just see, sha comma kti comma sakti. This is a string because we have given a comma to it. So but this is the line it is written, or you are instructing, what you are trying to instruct, you are trying to instruct, yes, do split. It means that you just form an array, where you will find what, a comma separator. So this will be stored to the index number 0, this will store to index number 1, this will store to index number 2, this will store to index number 3. Like that it will continue. Clear? So if you will take this one, you are a little bit confused with this story. So let me just go for creating a new one. Okay, don't save it. Just try to observe this one now. So we are now having these things. What is the meaning of this one? The split is doing, okay, the Sakti will move to the first one, then KTI, then Sir, then is teaching TypeScript. This SHA will come to this. This is KTI will come to this. Now SIR will come to this. Okay, is teaching TypeScript. Something like this. Now it is in the index number what, 0, something like this, as usual, just like an array. Okay, so this is the case. The split is doing internally like this. And in this case, what is the splitter? Splitter the array or nothing else, a variable which is representing to this array. Okay, now we will move to substring, substr. What is the meaning of substr? Substring means this method return the character in a substring. Clear? This method return the character in a substring beginning the specified locations through the specified number of characters. So what exactly it is telling, guys? Sir, I got this, but I want to know this. No, why it is not possible without comma? Okay, just see. Look at, you're a little bit confused with this story. What is that? I desired what? I desired what? A comma as my separator. Clear? So that is why I have given comma. I have simply given one example. Suppose I have given over here, I have deleted this one and I have written this one. So there is no spaces found. What it is instructed? It is instructed, you just try to split the whole string to an array, wherever you will find what? These things. Wherever you are finding what? This is space. But in this string, there is no space. Clear? There is no space. So now it is not going to be. Okay, look at. So if I will run this project, let me just go for TSC and I will go for what is that? App dot, what is that? TS. You can see over here. Now app, sorry, this is called your node. This is app dot, what is that? JS. Look at, the output is simple. Shakti sir is teaching and the split is also taking the same output. The splitted is also taking the same output, only one value, the single. It is single output only. It is not exactly splitting into different. It is not dividing whole string, so it is only returning the same string, because we don't have any spaces over here. Only I have, yes, suppose if I would have given something like the space here, again I have given the space. In this case, what happened? I have given the space, I have given the space, I have given the space. Now it is looking great. Don't be confused. So it was only one example where I was trying to split my all the words, okay, by the comma separator. I was looking for making my whole string to split into where I will find comma. Now for this timing, what exactly it is written? I'm trying to split the whole string into an array where space will be found. So that is why it is written something like this. Okay, so now just see the same output I will get over here. Let me just go for clear the things. Let me just go for TSC, and in this case, what I will go for, this is app dot, okay, this is TS, and in this case, node app dot, what is that? JS. Look at the same output. One may ask the question, sir, suppose I do require something like this. Suppose uh, a dot is there. Suppose dot is there. So can I go for making this whole string to an array, split into an array? Yes, very simple. But I should write here. Simple. I will put a dot here. Then again, I will go for what is that? TSC. This is app dot TS. Now it's being fine. Now what I will write here? This is node app.js. Just see the same output. Clear up to this? Internally it is converted to something like this. Clear? Now two lowercase and two uppercase, all everyone having the knowledge. So I need not to go for describing this thing more. Okay, just see. Let's say I have written some code over here, something like this. What is the meaning of this one? It means that the whole string will be converted to lowercase. In this case, some of the alphabets are found what? Capital letter, like A capital, this A capital, the J capital, all will be turned into what? Okay, a small case. So how to go for that? Very simple. In this case, what will happen? Look at, no, sorry, this is called your, what is that exactly? Yeah, TSC. Okay, this is app dot, what is that? JS. Sorry, this is TSC, app dot, what is that? TS. And after that, what I will do here, simple concept. After compiling successfully, simply I will go for what? Node app dot, what is that? JS. Look at, all everyone turn into small letter. The A turn into small letter, your A turn into small letter, all everyone turn into small letter, J turn into small letter, all everyone turn into small letter. Like that we will have the lowercase, like that we will have two uppercase. This is two uppercase. So this uppercase is telling what? Let me just compile the program. TSC app dot, what is that? TS. Okay. Now what I will do here is being compiled well. Node app dot, what is that? JS. Just see, all everyone turn into capital letter. It's being very simple. Okay, here any doubt, guys, you can ask me. From your side, guys, any doubt, please ask me. Or let me stop.